Hello students, hope you are studying well at your home. We are studying about the structure of plasma membrane and we discussed two models, that is sandwich model and unit membrane model. Now let's take a look on next model, that is fluid mosaic model. Today we will discuss about the next model, that is fluid mosaic model. This model is very well accepted model. ये बहुत आज के टाइम पे जिस मॉडल को फॉलो किया जा रहा है ये एक्सेप्टेड मॉडल है, फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल, एंड दैट मॉडल वाज गिवन बाय सिंगर एंड निकोलसन. द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट हु प्रपोज्ड दिस मॉडल, द नेम वाज सिंगर एंड निकोलसन. And they gave this model in 1972. According to this model, they also trying to explain the structure of plasma membrane as well as its properties also. Let's see what they said in this model. According to this fluid mosaic model, they explained that plasma membrane is made up of protein, that was the same thing, protein and phospholipid. उन्होंने क्या बोला कि प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन जो है वो प्रोटीन और फोस्फोलिपिड के कॉम्बिनेशन से बनी है. ये चीज पहले भी हम प्रीवियस मॉडल्स में भी देख चुके हैं. डैनली एंड डेवसन आल्सो said the same thing. Next thing, that is about the protein. The new thing that was given by the scientists Singer and Nicolson, they said the protein which are present in the plasma membrane, they are of two types. The proteins which are present in the plasma membrane, there are two types of the proteins. And the structure, if we discuss about the structure of the protein are alpha globular. पहले बार structure की बात करते हैं. Protein are alpha globular protein. That is also the same thing explained by Danieli and Jepsen in their sandwich model. The types of the protein which the Singer and Nicolson explained, that the protein which are present, यहाँ पे plasma membrane की structure बनाने में जो प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो दो तरीके के प्रोटीन होंगे. यहाँ पे दो तरीके के प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करेंगे. वन टाइप दैट वाज द एक्सटर्नल प्रोटीन. फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन आर द एक्सटर्नल प्रोटीन एंड अनदर वन इंटरनल प्रोटीन. वी कैन कॉल देम एक्सट्रिंसिक एंड इंट्रिंसिक. Extrinsic and intrinsic proteins, or external or internal protein. These external proteins, these proteins are attached with the polar head of phospholipid. These are attached at the polar head of phospholipid. यहाँ पे भी सिंगर एंड निकोलसन ने भी सेम ही तरीके की अरेंजमेंट बताई थी. Out of this, that phospholipids are present in the bilayer and proteins are present on its both sides. So the protein which are behaving as an external protein, these proteins are attached with the head of lipids or phospholipids. जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं एक्सटर्नल प्रोटीन्स, वो फॉस्फोलिपिड्स के हेड के साथ, यानी कि जो ग्लिसरॉल पार्ट से बना है जो हेड पार्ट, उससे अटैच होते हैं. एंड दे आर वेरी लूजली अटैच्ड, सो दे कैन बी इजीली रिमूव्ड. दे कैन इजीली मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो दे आर लूजली अटैच्ड, बहुत लूजली अटैच होते हैं. And these internal protein or intrinsic proteins, these proteins are embedded in the phospholipid bilayer. जो दो लेयर बन रही है उस बाइलेयर के अंदर, लिपिड बाइलेयर के अंदर embedded form में present होते हैं. और they can be embedded partially or completely. यानी कि लेयर के बीच में प्रेजेंट होंगे, या तो पूरी तरीके से प्रेजेंट होंगे या फिर उनका कुछ पार्ट प्रेजेंट होगा. सो दे आर बी एम्बेडेड, ये प्रेजेंट होंगे बाय फॉस्फोलिपिड बाइलेयर के अंदर, इधर कंप्लीटली और पार्शियली. सो एंड दे आर टाइटली अरेंज्ड. They are tightly arranged or tightly packed. So these are the two types of the protein on the basis of the model, fluid mosaic model given by Singer and Nicolson. Okay, let's see about the phospholipid. About the phospholipid के बारे में सिंगर और निकोलसन ने क्या बात बताई? That was the same. Phospholipid के बारे में कोई यहाँ पे अभी नई चीज नहीं है. Phospholipid is again the same lipid which is amphipathic in nature. जिसके अंदर वही same. It has one polar head and non-polar tail. The head part is made up of glycerol. Again, head part glycerol से बना है and tail part जो है वो fatty acid से बनी हुई है. Head is formed of glycerol and tail is made up of fatty acids. And this head behaves like this is the hydrophilic part. This is the hydrophilic and these tails are hydrophobic. That is also the same thing earlier explained by Danieli and Debson. उन्होंने बताई थी सेम चीज वही यहाँ पे सिंगर और निकोलसन ने भी अपने मॉडल के अंदर उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज किया है जो डैनियली और डेप्सन ने दिया था. But that thing is also taken from that sandwich model, and this thing is also. So both of these things are from, but this types of proteins are the new concept which was taken by the Singer and Nicolson. ये इन्होंने ही दिया that protein दो तरीके के होंगे, internal protein और external protein, intrinsic और extrinsic. Okay, this is phospholipid. This phospholipid again arranged in the form of bilayer. ये जो phospholipid है bilayer की form में arrange होंगी. In the same manner, the heads will keep away from each other. Head जो होंगे वो एक दूसरे से दूर होंगे, and tail part will face towards each other. दोनों tail के बीच जो tails होंगी वो एक दूसरे की तरफ arrange होंगी. Same in the same manner like this one. These heads will present far from each other and tail were facing towards each other. And again, the weak forces will work between these. यहाँ पे weak force काम करेंगे, and the force will work here is van der Waals force. Here one new thing that was given by Singer and Nicolson. Singer and Nicolson ने जो एक नई चीज यहाँ पे बताई है phospholipid के बारे में, that is about the movement of these phospholipid molecules. They said that these phospholipid molecules can be moved. Phospholipid molecule जो है वो move कर सकते हैं, and the movement of these phospholipid molecules can be of two types. They can move by two ways. That could be transition movement. यहाँ पे दो तरीके की movement होगी, transition movement और flip flop movement. इस दो तरीके की movement यहाँ पे present रहेगी. Transition movement का क्या मतलब है? Transition movement is the movement which is present in same layer. टू लेयर्स है फॉस्फोलिपिड की, एक ही लेयर में अगर फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में मूवमेंट करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ अपनी पोजीशन एक्सचेंज करते हैं, दैट मूवमेंट इज ट्रांजिशन मूवमेंट. एंड इन द केस ऑफ फ्लिप फ्लॉप मूवमेंट्स, द फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स और लिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स विल मूव फ्रॉम वन लेयर टू अनदर लेयर. दैट विल बी flip flop movement. These two things, that types of proteins and this movement of the phospholipids that were given by Singer and Nicolson. Now let's see, on the basis of these all properties that Singer and Nicolson explained, we will draw the structure of plasma membrane and we'll try to understand that is this model is able to explain the properties of plasma membrane. एक बार हम इसके basis पे plasma membrane की structure draw करेंगे and then we will see is it able to explain the structure of plasma membrane or properties of plasma membrane. Again, this is the head part, tail part. I have to remove these two heads. Okay, these are the phospholipid molecules, and again here also we have to draw phospholipid molecules. And at both sides of these phospholipids molecules, the proteins are present. Proteins molecules यहाँ पे present रहेंगे और जो protein यहाँ पे present होंगे, that will be globular protein. तो यहाँ पे globular protein present होंगे in यहाँ इसके ऊपर. And the protein molecules which are present at the outer part or head part of the phospholipid, यहाँ phospholipid के head part के साथ arranged जो protein molecules है, these are the external protein. ये होंगे external protein और हम इसे क्या कह सकते हैं? Extrinsic protein also. So these are the external proteins which are arranged with the or joined with the head of the phospholipid. Here we can see some more proteins, like protein can be present here also. And these proteins which are present in between these lipid molecules, in lipid molecules के बीच में जो proteins present होंगे, they are embedded in between these phospholipid bilayer. These proteins are known as intrinsic protein. ये जो protein है इन्हें हम बोलेंगे intrinsic protein. Here we say two things, that these proteins can be partially embedded. ये proteins दो तरीके से हो सकते हैं, ये partially embedded भी हो सकते हैं और ये completely embedded भी हो सकते हैं. So let's see if this is embedded in this form. Suppose this is the partially embedded. ये partially embedded form में present protein है and we have to make phospholipid here also. So these proteins can be arranged in two manners. Outer surface, these are the external proteins, and these proteins which are present in between the phospholipids, either completely or partially. तो ये जो प्रोटीन हमने दिखाया जिस पूरे phospholipid bilayer के बीच में present है. This protein is completely embedded intrinsic protein, and these proteins molecules are partially embedded intrinsic protein. ये partially embedded protein है. In this way, we can say that this is the structure given by the Singer and Nicholson. Lipids are also present in the form of lipid. लिपिड की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होगी. यहाँ पे भी हमें प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स शो करने होंगे क्योंकि प्रोटीन यहाँ भी प्रेजेंट रहेगा. Here the protein is present in outer side and inner side also, so we can say protein, phospholipid and protein. इस तरीके की अरेंजमेंट प्रेजेंट रहेगी. Here we have seen that outer or external proteins are present here and internal protein or intrinsic proteins are present in between phospholipids molecules. Now let's see, is this model is able to explain the properties of plasma membrane. The first property that we started discussing, that first property of plasma membrane is selectively permeable property. That plasma membrane is selectively permeable. अगर हम उसके basis पे देखें तो let's start. Here we have two molecules, one fat soluble molecules and another one is water soluble molecule. Fat soluble molecule. Fat soluble molecule can transport through all type of models we already discussed. हमने सैंडविच मॉडल, यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन मॉडल, दो मॉडल डिस्कस किए थे इससे पहले. जिसने नहीं देखे तो आप प्रीवियस वीडियोस में जाके उन्हें एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं कि वहां हमने देखा था कि फैट सोल्यूबल मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन इजीली क्रॉस द मेम्ब्रेन, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, दे कैन कम इनसाइड द सेल. तो वो दोनों ही तरीके के मॉडल्स में हो गया था, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. सेम थिंग इज हियर, that this fat soluble molecules are able to come inside by crossing these proteins, and then they will cross the head part of the lipids and they will cross the hydrophobic part because it's fat soluble and they can easily come inside. वो आसानी से अंदर आ सकते हैं सेल के अंदर. There is no problem in coming inside the fat soluble molecule. But water soluble molecules, let's see what about the water soluble molecules. The water soluble molecule which we see here, this is the water soluble protein. This water soluble proteins can become by passing through these proteins से होता हुआ external proteins को cross करेगा because protein will not create any problem. Then these water soluble molecules will come inside the plasma membrane by passing through these internal or intrinsic protein. Here we have to label this is intrinsic protein or internal protein. ये internal protein है. इन्हें क्रॉस करते हुए जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है दे विल कम इनसाइड द सेल. क्या हुआ यहाँ पे कि वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स का जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हुआ है दिस इज थ्रू दिस इंटरनल और इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन एंड दीज आर द कंप्लीटली एम्बेडेड इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन. इनके थ्रू प्रोटीन वाटर सॉल्युबल मॉलिक्यूल्स विल आल्सो कम इनसाइड द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. So by this model they are easily able to explain the selectively permeable property of plasma membrane. Here we discussed that plasma in the plasma membrane, this model of plasma membrane, the phospholipids are able to show their movement also. Plasma membrane के इस मॉडल के अंदर हमने देखा था कि जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के फॉस्फोलिपिड्स मॉलिक्यूल है दे कैन शो मूवमेंट आल्सो. इनके अंदर भी मूवमेंट्स होती हैं जिसे हमने कहा था ट्रांजिशन मूवमेंट और फ्लिप फ्लॉप मूवमेंट. ये जो ट्रांजिशन मूवमेंट, सपोज we have taken these two layers of phospholipid and we are labeled these layers. Suppose हमने phospholipid के इन मॉलिक्यूल्स को हम लेबल कर रहे हैं. This is A, B, C, D, E, and we will label these part also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we label this phospholipid molecule. Now see how the phospholipid molecules will move or how they show the movement. In the transition movement, we say that this is the movement which happens in between the same layer. एक ही लेयर के अंदर phospholipid molecules की जो movement होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं transition movement. इस तरीके की मूवमेंट में क्या होगा, लेट्स सी. इन दैट टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट दिस A molecule, this A phospholipid will move here and this D will move come and it will come at the place of A. इस तरीके की मूवमेंट जिसके अंदर एक जो फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल है वो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज कर रहा है और उसकी जगह पे दूसरा उसी लेयर का मॉलिक्यूल आ रहा है. दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इज नोन एज ट्रांजिशन मूवमेंट. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर D will come here and A will move at its place. ये जो है वो मूव करके यहाँ चला जाएगा. इस तरीके की मूवमेंट को हम बोल रहे हैं ट्रांजिशन मूवमेंट. एंड इन द केस ऑफ सेकंड टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट इज flip flop movement. What happens in the flip flop? This is the movement which is present between two layers. Suppose this 2, this number 2 phospholipid will come here in the place of this D, and this D will come here in the place of 2. This type of movement will call as a flip-flop movement. So phospholipids molecules can able to move inside this structure, this arrangement, and this is the new thing that explained by Singer and Nicholson. Due to the movement of such type of phospholipids, चाहे वो ट्रांजिशन हो या फ्लिप फ्लॉप हो, इस मूवमेंट के बेसिस पे हम ये एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं that this model can explain the properties, dynamic property of plasma membrane. हमने देखा था properties में जो dynamic property है plasma membrane की, according to which can say that it's not remain same, it's very flexible, it can be changed easily. Out of these 3 models जो हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन मॉडल, सैंडविच मॉडल, ये दोनों ही मॉडल प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की डायनामिक प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाए थे. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मॉडल in which we have seen that phospholipids molecule can easily move within the same layer or in between 2 layers. By this they show their dynamic property. वो अपनी dynamic property show करते हैं. इसी वजह से plasma membrane जो है उसकी जो nature है, it's not remain same, it's very flexible, it can change easily because these phospholipid molecule can easily change. That's so we can say that this model is very well explain the dynamic property of this plasma membrane structure. To explain the movement of phospholipids, these two scientists, Singer and Nicholson, used a very important phrase. उन्होंने एक बहुत important phrase के through इस चीज को explain करने की कोशिश की है, and that phrase is known as that our model. They said that this fluid mosaic model is just like that we can say it's protein iceberg in the sea of lipid. This is the phrase that was used by these two scientists, Singer and Nicholson. They said that these lipid molecules is just like a sea. ये एक सी की तरह है जिसके अंदर प्रोटीन के आइसबर्ग यानी कि बड़े बड़े आइस की जो पीसेस होते हैं जो सी में फ्लोट करते रहते हैं. That type of arrangement is present here. Lipids molecules have flexible nature. They have quasi fluid nature. Quasi fluid मतलब जो चेंज होती रहेगी. तो लिपिड मॉलिक्यूल जो होते हैं they have quasi fluid nature जो easily change होगी, और उस quasi fluid nature के लिपिड के अंदर the proteins just float like iceberg. So that is the important phrase used by Singer and Nicholson to explain the fluid mosaic model. And due to this property of proteins and this property of phospholipid, this model is known as fluid mosaic model. So they call it fluid mosaic model क्योंकि fluid nature है lipid की and it's not remain same, it can be changed, it's dynamic in nature. That's all about this model. Out of these, they also explain the structure, they also explain the pore size also. The pore size can be here. They explain that plasma membrane is porous in nature. उन्होंने ये भी एक बात बताई थी कि plasma membrane porous होती है nature में, and pore size could be from 7 to 10 Armstrong. जो pore size होगा plasma membrane का वो होगा 7 to 10 Armstrong. And the thickness of the plasma membrane that was already given by Danieli and Debson, that is 75 to 100 Armstrong. Here we discuss the structure of plasma membrane by this fluid mosaic model given by two scientists, Singer and Nicholson. Proteins are of two types, external or extrinsic or internal or intrinsic. External proteins are present with the head part of these phospholipids, and intrinsic proteins are embedded in the phospholipid bilayer. ये जो embedded protein है by which the water molecules can come inside. यहाँ पे जो water molecules की movement हो रही है वो इन proteins के through हो रही है, इन intrinsic proteins के through हो रही है. That's why these intrinsic proteins also known as channel protein. One more name we can use for such type of proteins are channel protein. So here we discussed about proteins, phospholipids, and how they are arranged in the formation of this plasma membrane. So here we discussed all the models that are very important according to our NEET as well as your CBSE board exam. In the next video, we will discuss about some important functions of the plasma membrane. So keep watching, keep studying, and keep learning. Thank you.